Hey everybody. Well, you're listening to the live stream. I got some work to do. So, this is my dollar yard sale tripod / selfie stick. So we'll see if I can do this with one hand. All right. Temperature's not bad. Gonna see if the goats are over back there. Somebody's belly aching about something. Let's see if the horses will follow me. I'm surprised that Honey did not follow me this morning, because she usually does follow me. The ducks followed me, but the horses didn't. I don't know, maybe they don't like that tree fell down. So anyway, I don't know, can you see them behind me there? Yeah. Honey is quite nosy, but it looks like she's filling her face. Oh, boy, I tell you. I'm surprised that this area is not wetter, because Thursday night, or actually I guess it would have been Friday morning, we got 3 inches of rain. And we got a little bit of rain early this morning, but not much. Plus, like, there's no water running. So, oh my. I was kind of hoping the goats would be over here and try and eat some of the foliage on this tree. I'll show you the tree in a second when I get over there. But it's surprisingly not very wet. Well, there's a bone. Leg bone from something, I guess. Now the goats have been down here eating. Looks like there's some, I think it's blackberry, I think. No sign of any horses. Everybody's eating over there. All right. What a mess. What a mess. Let me see. I wonder if Sheba just realized I was down here. Alrighty, people. See that tree? It is not supposed to be here. Pretty sure I can cut the branches off. I don't know how far down the trunk I can go, but we'll see. I've got a full battery. Oh yeah, I got lines down. I have a full battery on the reciprocating saw, and then I have a battery in my back pocket that's like not full, but it's got 3 bars. So, well, let's see what we can do. See what I got to work with. Sorry, you fell. Oh, I don't know how much you saw. Okay. Oh, let's see here. Now, well, you can see I've cut off as much as I could. Let's see here. There we go. I've cut off as much as I could weight-wise from this tree. Okay? It is being supported, from what I can tell, by this branch here, and this branch here, and there's a third branch right there. Okay? It says 3 branches, which aren't very strong, holding that up. If I was taller, I'd be cutting it back, but I'm too short, and I don't know if my blade will go through the thicker part of the trunk. At this point, I think that I have done as much as I can do. I'm going to have to ask for help. Okay, this is the next day, and as you see, I have the step ladder behind me. I talked to my guys this morning. I told them what I was planning on doing. They said, yeah, if you're careful, you should be all right. So I only go like 2 steps up on the step ladder, and if I can't reach this by just going up 2 steps, then I won't be doing it. But we're going to try and, let me see here, take it to where it starts to branch off and it's leaning on the branches, okay? And we're going to, I am going to try and get it cut all the way back there before I cut these branches away. Honey was coming to see me, but I guess she changed her mind. All right, let's see if I can get this done. I'll show you afterwards because I don't have my tripod with me. My hands are full with the ladder and the saw, so I'll show you later, okay? Bye. Okay, I've got it sawed close to these 2 branches. I'm getting down to where it's pretty thick. What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and cut this branch here, okay, and see if that branch and this branch will continue to hold it up. Man, I tell you, that's a long, tall tree. Oh, too bad it wasn't market size. Now, I don't know, maybe I'll try and take one more off. I just wasn't too sure about getting the ladder that close, but maybe it'll be all right. Take this part off here and then cut this branch off, I think. Yeah, we'll see. Well, I'm at the end of my battery, and this thing is cracking. I can hear it cracking. I did not want it to fall on this side of the fence. I'd rather it fell on the other side of the fence. I don't know that I can get it to do that. So, and that's the end of the 2 batteries I had down here with me. I got to go up and charge them up. And we'll see if this thing is still standing when I get back. It may not be. Man. And I am, like I said, almost to the width of my saw. Well, I cut the one that was by the T-post there. And now the root ball down there, and this branch is holding it up, and that branch is forked and it's holding down that fence. So at some point that is going to have to go, but I'm going to try and cut this part back. I'm going to try, and hopefully, because the way that this branch is holding it, if it's going to go that way. But who knows, it may just stay up. The trunk's starting to get a little bit on the thick side. But if I can just get past my fence line, I'm good. Sorry I didn't have my tripod, but it came down, not with a crash, just laying it down, and it's just on the other side of the fence line. Just. That's a blackberry, I think. Anyway, yep. Now I can put the fence back together, and everything should be right. What a mess. Still a few branches over there, and this trunk, I ain't gonna worry about it. I don't have anything to cut it up. I barely got the reciprocating saw through it. Just barely. I went through two batteries, and a third battery was in the tool. Okay? So now I gotta put the fence back together. But it's done. I got it done. This is what? Second day working on it? Yep, took me 2 days.